Well, there was some early morning light in here, and I thought I'd go ahead and just take a little bit of footage. I pulled the plastic up off these floors because I needed it. Cause that's a vapor barrier, but I, I needed it for the hall, so I came in here and swept yesterday. Got the face frames on. The drawers are in. I don't know if you can see that, but drawers are in. Those drawers. Can barely see on the other side of that refrigerator the other drawers. I'm supposed to go next week to see about the countertops, and I'm gonna try to make some I'm gonna try to make some door samples or drawer face samples. Maybe I'll do that today. So we got the shower door hung over here. This past weekend I installed the fixture yesterday. The 2 shower heads going on up there. And shower pan is got low spots in it. So that sucks. Shower door went up without too much drama. So I finally got it caulked up. I've got to do some touch up though here and there, especially up on that ceiling, because I got to roll some paint up there. But overall, that's installed, ready to go. I've got a vanity in here now that I'm working on, and I've got a linen closet rack in here that I'm working on today. I'm almost done with it. I've got to build a face frame. I've already got the I've already got the shelf pins put in. I'll tell you what, this thing, where is it? This Craig shelf pin jig, oh man, worth the money. Absolutely, it just makes everything so much easier when you can drill your holes after the fact, because sometimes you forget maybe about the thickness of something, and it's not quite right place, and if you want to drill something out, it's hard to, I mean, it's impossible to get the bit square to the material, but this thing squares up the bit for you, so everything's perfect. And it's got, you know, every 2 inches, so it makes everything very simple. It's got a little part on here where you can make it a right angle. So I don't know how much that was. 30 bucks is worth every penny. So anyway, I've got to build a face frame for that. I'll show some of that here lately, but mainly just wanted to show you the shower. My wife saw the cabinet in the bathroom for the linen closet. She said, that's what I want. I said, all right, I can do that. And that's for books, and there'll be another one there. But I had the material, so it's a pretty quick build. I don't have all the shelves in. I ran out of material. So I've got, you know, a shelf per foot, something like that. So that came out pretty good. This room is practically done. So got the floor put in the hall, and all the little trim work, not the base, but the little stuff you have to do after you lay your floor to get all those cracks and all filled in. That board's still loose because I'm gonna tile or floor that other room, but it's just a bunch of little things you always have to do when you to make up those little gaps on the edges. And just got done with that. So actually I've got a trim piece here, but it's not fastened yet because of the doors. So we got to put the doors in. Along this side of these walls is going to be a wainscot. So that's why that's not painted yet. So that'll be next, but I think I need to do the doors. I know where some doors are at. I'm going to put in here for a couple of them, but I'm probably going to put a nice door here where I can see through, like a glass door. And then these doors over here will be I've got some knotty pine doors I saw downtown. So yeah, the floor in the hall is in. Tell you what, it's looking pretty good. And this is the floor in the kitchen. All looking pretty tight now. Making a big difference.